Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I make clipping mask text. So stay tuned at the end. And now let's start. So first of all, I take this font all round Gothic bold and now create outline and take aside. Go to object menu. Go to file and place. And this image I uh, give in this description link. I give this picture link in description so you guys can check out. Now first of all, make sure that the image and the text is properly aligned and according to its. Now you can take aside this and go to, simply click it with mouse and right click and arrange and send to back. Now I select this and go to object menu, compound path, and make, and it's a shortcut key control plus 8. And now simply press shift with mouse and click this image. Go to object menu and clipping mask and make. Shortcut key is control plus 7 as you guys can see. So guys, here is my video. I hope you guys like the video. Do share and subscribe with your friends and family, and check my Behance, Instagram, LinkedIn. So thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to press the bell icon to receive uh, updates to you and never miss any important updates. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you much.